Thank you, Paul, and thank you for allowing us to appear here today. I have worked tirelessly over the last 3 years to turn the Attorney General's office around from the disaster that a career politician took it in. In Medicaid fraud, in 3 years, we've recovered $46 million for the state. That is double what every Attorney General before I got there did together combined. In consumer protection, in 3 years, we have recovered more money than every previous Attorney General combined. I have turned the office around, I have restored its integrity, we have established its independence, and I have built the trust back into the office. This election is about experience. Who has the experience to lead Kansas and to keep it safe? I have been a lawyer in court my entire career. I've argued appellate cases, I've handled jury trials, I've prosecuted murder cases, I've argued before the United States Supreme Court. My opponent has done none of those things. The contrast is clear. And on tight fiscal times, my leadership in the Attorney General's office, we have reduced the budget by 43%. We have shifted the costs of protecting Kansans onto criminals and scam artists. And I have a record that I'm proud of. My opponent's record of leadership on budget issues, he has increased the legislative budget 43% during the time he's been majority leader. He's handed out bonuses to his staff. My wife and I remodeled our house a couple years ago, and we had some big plans, but we didn't have the money and the budget, so we made the cuts and we made the sacrifices. My opponent is on the Capitol Restoration Project, $150 million over budget. As he has remodeled his office, he has painted the ceiling with gold, he has put in new carpets. While Kansans are struggling, we got the news of 700 layoffs from Cessna right here in Topeka. Kansans have had a tough 3 years, and we have made the cuts in the Attorney General's office to recognize those struggles. The type of leadership and the lack of experience that my opponent has, we cannot afford to go back. I have seen that resume before. It's the resume of a career politician. It's a resume of the last career politician who was Attorney General, and that's Phil Klein's resume, Senator. Bob Steffen was a great Attorney General. He was a district court judge. Carla Stovall was a prosecutor. These are the type of experiences and judgment that bring an Attorney General's office to work for Kansans. Not a career politician, not a national agenda of other ideas. We cannot afford to go back.